Alright, December 12th, CPI day. CPI was this mess that resulted in a downtrend out. We had a channel and a new low, uptrend out of it, and a new high. So, I'm waiting for a new trend before I get into anything. Looks like we may be starting an uptrend. We held EMA and VWAP, so I'm just waiting for a channel to form. As of now, I'm only looking long. See if we hold EMA. It's not looking great, but this could be a failed second entry if we burst above. If not, then we're either going to range or make a downtrend, I think. So we broke the small downtrend. I think I'd like to see a higher low before going long. I think it might be best to sit this out for now and see what comes out of this congestion. Made a break out of this congestion, held EMA, may have formed for it like this. I want to see us come down and retest this congestion and then bounce out of it. There's a test of the congestion, but invalidated this channel. So maybe we're in a consolidation. Looks like we may have missed it. See if we get a failed second entry short. If we fail, didn't get filled. There we go.
Order filled. Order filled.
Alright, there's an 8-tick W, $100. Reasoning for getting into that trade is we created this little range. We had a first entry short, second entry short that failed, and I got in based off of this candle, which bounced the top side of this little congestion, which I was looking for an S test out. And then we held EMA up, and it was a second entry long from this pivot. Technically speaking, third entry long off of this pivot, because we have first entry long, second entry long. But the way I saw it was, as long as we didn't break below here, this second entry was still in play. So good for a little scalp. I wanted to hold it to the end of the range up here, but the ATR is only 1.68, and anything below like 1.8, I don't like to go for too large of plays, especially if it hits my profit in freaking double tops like that. So I think I'm gonna call it there for now. Let's see if we could get anything more. I'm assuming we're gonna go test the other side of this range. ATR is picking up a little bit. See if we could trend out of this range. If we create another trend, like a solid trend, then I might be interested in taking a play. For now, I think I'll call it right there. Watch from the sidelines for now. There haven't been any setups yet, but it looks like we might be creating another range slightly higher, or possibly a trend up. We'll see. This was a second entry long. Very aggressive though, because it's still in the downtrend. I would rather see a higher low before adhering to range rules where most breakouts fail. So you're looking for reversals, but it's a good play. It's just super aggressive. I'll still mark it. So yeah, you have first entry long, second entry long, and then a jump outside of the range. Came back to the middle of this range's area, and we created a quadruple bottom. Broke out of the downtrend. We'll see if we create the top of another range, or if we spike and channel to the upside. We'll see. Alright, so we're working on the second entry short. If this fails and we have a higher low, I might consider going long. Because if this up channel, this larger up channel is in play, then I really like longs. If it's not in play, I don't know that I'm interested in longs anymore. Because if this channel isn't in play, this looks like a big consolidation and potentially the top of the day. But there's still room. There's a lot of room to the upside. All right, there's a higher low. Assuming this candle closes above this pivot, we're holding EMA. If we get a good second entry long slash failed second entry short, 575. It's not terrible. See how it plays out here. Trying to hold EMA. Okay. If that response doesn't give me a lot of confidence. Alright, here's a second entry long, possible failed second entry short playing out. I just don't like these double tops. We have a double top right here and a double top right here. I think I'd rather see a channel form. That was a pretty decent response off of trendline support and hold EMA. This might be pretty good for longs. Could get some pretty favorable risk to reward here. I could risk 1 point for at least 2.5 points. I'd like to maybe see us attempt to break lower one more time. Alright, well, the trend line seems to be holding. I think now I will bounce because it's so slow and congested. Maybe I'll come back during power hour and see if there's any good setups. But this is too slow for me. So I think I'll hold on to my win for now and come back later. Or not at all. We'll see. Bye.